Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Antara. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup. I also make haul videos and travel vlogs as well. So if you do not want to miss any of this, do consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And also do not forget to hit that bell button just beside the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my further videos. So today's video is one of my most requested video. So I've created this really soft glam makeup using everything under 300 rupees. So this is a very affordable, and I have used all affordable and drugstore products to create this look, which looks so pretty. So if you like what you see on my face, so you need to keep on watching. Let's start with prepping my skin. My face is all washed and now I'm going to apply a moisturizer. This is the one that I've been using from probably this is my second or third dabba. So obviously I've been using it for months, and these retails for 299 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but obviously I got this in a discount only. So if you have oily skin just like mine, like super duper oily skin, I would highly recommend you to go for this one.
I was heading for a small disaster before you came.
So let's start with since I have already put on my moisturizer, and the next step is going to be a primer. So for primer, I have this one. This is the Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Perfect Makeup Base. This is how it looks. I hope the camera is focusing. Yeah, so these actually retails for 300 rupees, but obviously you'll find a lot of discount, like on Amazon, on Cups and Lashes. You will find this on discount for sure. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. I am almost running out of it, so I need to get a new one. So yeah, this is a good primer, like budget. It's a good budget primer. It's for only 300 rupees, and it actually does everything that a primer should do. It smoothens out the skin, blurs like this, blurs out the skin, fills in your pores. As you can see, it actually smoothens the skin really nicely, and I really like it. So now, as usual, I'm going to move on to my eyes. So for my eyebrows, so obviously I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So for my one that I have is this one. This is a good pencil. You can definitely get your hands on this. This is the Maybelline. This is the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil. So this is the Music Flower Eyebrow Pomade. It comes in a set of two like this. One black and the another one is in the shade brown. So usually use the brown.
I was ready to blow me down.
So eyebrows done. Now I'm going to use a concealer to clean up my eyebrows. I do not like to skip this step because I find it actually makes the eyebrows look really nice. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try at least once to clean up your eyebrows using a concealer. Okay, so I'm going to use this Dabba Miss Claire concealer to clean my eyebrows.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could gain the.
So now I'm going to use this. This is the Fit Me. Oh, also my nails. Anyways, this is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. Looks like this. This is in the shade Light Ivory. So I'm going to take this compact and I'm going to just set my eyelid.
Ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. And my soul needs a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder.
So my eyes are all primed and all set and all ready for the eyeshadow drama from Swiss Beauty. These are really pigmented. I think the price, what is the price of it? I don't know, $2.99. And these are really nice. The pigmentation is good. There is a lot of shade variant. बहुत सारा shade है इसका. A lot of them. ठीक है. So you will find a lot of shades and the pigmentation is also good. It's very good. Man, overall it's a very good palette. So you can definitely get your hand on this. This is in the shade 02. I'm gonna start with this shade.
Love with no doubt, and I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
So now I'm going to use a more denser brush. So I'm going to pick this and this shade and try to build up my outer corner. So my eyes look good. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this liquid glitters from Swiss Beauty. So I'm going to do a cut crease. And I'm going to pick up the shade which these and this, and I'm going to just blend out the corners, like the edges. My eyes are looking really nice. I'm just going to pop some falsies. These are like really random falsies from Amazon. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to be right back. So my falsies are on. So now I'm going to use an eyeliner just to hide the bands, the eyelash band. So I'm going to use the Colossal liner. So now I'm going to use this K by Katrina Kajal to put it on my upper waterline. Eye makeup is almost done. So now let's move on to my face. So since I've already applied the primer, so I am going to try this one out. This is the Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Coppery. I haven't used this before, and I think this retails for around that 200-250. So have a lot of glitter chunks that I can see. I don't know if it is illuminating my face, but definitely has a lot of glitters. Now for the foundation, I'm going to use this Olivia liquid foundation. This retails for 120 rupees. So this is in the shade 02 Natural Glow. The brush I'm going to use is the PAC 265 brush, and I'm going to try to blend. I would probably go with a little more.
With our feet on the ground.
So the shade match is probably not the worst. I can work with it. It's fine. Yeah. The finish is good as well. So yeah, it's for 120 rupees. Till now I am really liking the foundation. So now for concealer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05, and I'm going to highlight the usual places.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came.
This is a really nice and a beautiful concealer. Blends so beautifully and doesn't creases.
Before you came round, I was headed.
For powder, I'm going to use the same Fit Me powder. And first I'm going to set my under eyes. This is a really good compact powder. So I'm done with the powder thingy. So now let's move on to contouring. So I'm going to use this. I have used this in my other videos, previous videos as well. This is the Miss Claire single eyeshadow in the shade number 215, I guess, if I'm not wrong, probably 215. I take an angular brush like this. This is a Dew Care brush, doesn't have a number.
For a small disaster. Before you came round.
I'm done. So now blush. So for blush, I have this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This is in the shade Pearlescent. No, this is Fantastic Plastic Pink. This is how it looks like. So I've learned a new technique. If you want your face to look more lifted, you try to apply your blush here, like here. I'm going to show you.
I was ready to blow me down.
Does this side looks lifted? I think yes, it does. So I'm done with my blush. Looks really pretty though. So the next step is highlighter. So for highlighter, I have this highlighter. This is the Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter in the shade 01. So this is a really pretty highlighter. I'm going to show you. Look at that. This one retails for 345 rupees. Obviously you'll find this on discount as well. Like ये discount में 250 से भी कम में ही मिलता है. So I'm going to take the first two shades because the other shades are a tad bit dark for my skin tone. Now let's move on to my lower lash line. So for lower lash line, I'm going to use the same palette. I'm going to use the exact same shades that I've used on my upper eyelids. So I'm almost done with my look. So now I am going to use a setting spray. For setting spray today, I'm going to use this makeup setting spray, Makeup Fixer from Blue Heaven. This again retails for 300 rupees. You will definitely find this on discount. My makeup is almost done. So now let's move on to this lips. So for lipstick, there is a lot of option in the market. So today I'm going to use the Faces Canada. What is this? What is the name? The Faces Canada Weightless Matte Lipstick in the shade Buff Nude. Probably one of my most favorite nude shade. This is how it looks, and I guess this retails for 299 rupees. So this is a shade, really pretty nude. So I'm going to use this. Like these are DIY hopes. The makeup that I've created, this is the look that I've created using everything under 300 rupees, and I think it turned out to be really pretty. I really love how this makeup turned out to be. My base looks really nice, the eyes look really pretty. I really like how this makeup turned out to be. And also you can switch up the lipstick by using something bright. since a lot of drama is going on my eyes, so I've decided to keep my lips more nude. So you can definitely wear a bright lipstick as well, which is absolutely fine. So yeah, that's it for today. So if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button just beside the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my videos. And also if you like it, do not forget to make that white thumb blue and do comment something. I would really love to read comments, and if you have any video recommendations as well, so you can just drop it in the comment section. And do check the description box because I'm going to link all the products that I've used today in the description box. So everyone, stay happy and stay safe. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.